Hi, I'm Ricardo Christopher Tan Sanchez, 30 years old from the Philippines. Aside from being a project engineer, I am also a sales engineer that provides technical expertise and support to the real estate sales team and help the team to achieve our monthly goals. I am also responsible for any client's concern with regards to their housing documentations, freebies, turnover dates, and any other concerns with regard to their purchased properties. I have been also in an e-commerce company that caters to client concerns through email. In my recent project in Tableau, I created COVID-19 data dashboard. First, I downloaded this data from the internet, then analyzed this data through SQL Server, and after that, I created different queries there to generate different tables, Excel tables that I use in Tableau visualizations. So here is my Tableau project. So as you can see, I created 4 queries in SQL to generate 4 tables. So the first table is total debt count per continent. So from this year, this data is from year 2020 to 2023. So as you can see, the total debts is from 0 million to 200 million. This consists of 6 continents: Oceania, Africa, South America, Asia, North America, and Europe. So as you can see, Europe has a total debt count per continent. Next is global numbers. So as you can see here, it shows the total cases, total deaths, and average death percentage of the COVID-19 data. Next is highest infection rate. So I created a map here, so showing some part of the globe. So as you can see, this is the highest infection rate from 0 to 75.07, and showing that the color from orange, light orange to reddish. So as you can see, the reddish one is the highest infection rate, and it shows that France is the highest infection rate per country, and the lightest one is, I think it's Algeria and Sudan, right here. Next is the fourth table is average highest infection rate per year. So I divided the year into a quarter, so I can create a long trends of line graph. So as you can see here, this data from 2020, it becomes higher when 2023. And I also try to estimate the possible outcomes in the next years or the next quarters, as you can see here. So I created the 2024 year. So that's all. Thank you. In my recent project in Power BI, I used to analyze collected survey data from different professionals, transform this data to Power Query, basically to clean it, and load it into Power BI to create different visualizations. So as you can see, this is my project, data professional survey breakdown. So in this project, there are 630 respondents, as you can see, averaging an age of 29 to 30 years old. So the country of the respondents is here in the tree map. So as you can see, there are 5 countries that we survey. Next is we ask them regarding their favorite programming language, and the most favorite programming language of these respondents is Python. Next is we ask them also with regards to breaking into data. So as you can see, the darker one is the blue, and the blue says it's very easy. So many says that breaking into data is not easy, it's difficult. So next is we also ask these professionals regarding their average salary per job title. So these professionals includes data scientist, architect, data engineer, data developer, data analyst, and students and others. So the highest paid in data professional that we surveyed is data scientist, and data developer is the second, student is the least. So you can see here. Next is happiness with work-life balance. So this is the average of the survey, and this is the, with regards to happiness with their salary, this is the average numbers. So that's all. Thank you.